This is a guide on how to replace the air cleaner of a Suzuki Burgman Street EX. This is my first time checking the status of the air cleaner after 9 months. Let's look out for the locks to be released and the screws that are needed to be removed from the air cleaner box cover before removing the air cleaner. First lock, first screw. Second, third, and the last screw from the air cleaner box cover. We also need to remove one screw of the fairing from the bottom left side to reach the fourth screw of the air cleaner box cover. Now, let's remove the screw from the fairing. Then push down the fairing so that we can reach the fourth screw of the air cleaner box cover. I started removing the fourth screw first, and then to the next one until all the 4 screws are removed. Now I unlock the first push-down lock. I have to reach the second push-down lock at the back of the air cleaner box cover. You will find it here. After removing all the screws and unlocking the locks, I was able to remove the air cleaner box cover. As you can see, it is obvious that the air cleaner is very dirty. This is due to the different weather conditions, especially since it's been raining for a few days. The dirt is causing dragging issues while driving the motorcycle. Let's remove the air cleaner and inspect its back. There's no dirt on the back side of the air cleaner, which is good. The air cleaner box is also clean. The dirt you see is from the dirt on the top back side of the air cleaner box that dropped after I removed the air cleaner. I don't recommend cleaning the air cleaner like I did. However, I just did this as I don't have a spare air cleaner right now. Please only do this at your own expense as it may damage the motor. I dried the air cleaner first before putting it back using a heat gun at a low temperature. Again, it is not recommended, but I have to use it in the meantime while waiting for the replacement air cleaner I purchased online. Let's put back the screws. I will now show you the proper way of locking the push-down lock. Don't do it the way you unlock it. Instead, place your fingers on the top of the lock, then push it down. There you go. Push the fairing back to its place, then the screw. Let's now turn on the motorcycle to test. Now the sound is much better. After 3 days, my order arrived. This is a Class A air cleaner, which is cheaper than the Suzuki Air Cleaner genuine part. It's my choice to buy this, and again, it's not recommended. We have to remove the screws in the fairing again. Now let's replace the dirty air cleaner with the new one. Put the cover back and then put the screws back first before locking it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to watch more of this kind of videos featuring the Suzuki Burgman Street EX.